Hi and welcome to Smart Trade App's how-to videos. My name is Kent Warland, and in this video I'm going to take you a little deeper into your jobs lists and your job details. First and foremost, when you log into your Smart Trade app, the first thing you'll see is your jobs list. You'll have a full overview of every job that you've ever set up and done, as well as those you've scheduled, which will appear on top if they're scheduled in the future. From your jobs list, you can access all the jobs you've already set up in the past, such as this one, where you have your payments, your quote, your invoices, and any notes that you might have written on the individual job. Now let's say you need to set up a new job for a new customer. You can quickly do so in the upper right corner of your screen, and in this case, I'm going to set up a boiler repair. I'm going to save this job, and all of a sudden you can see a brand new job page, and this will also appear on your jobs list. It also sync real time with your online dashboard. Firstly, I need to add a customer. So in this case, I'm going to add Kent Warland, myself, as the customer, and I'm going to make sure I send a quote in advance so that my customer can accept the job and the rate before I go in and schedule the job. Now I'm going to assume this takes me roughly 2.5 hours of labor costs at £45 an hour, which is already stored because I've done it before. So whenever you have materials or job costs that you've used in the past, they will automatically be saved for you to use in the future. I'm going to save this cost, and then I can send this to the customer. Once I've sent it, it's very quick for me to create the actual invoice after my customer accepts the quote. Simply click the invoice and you'll see a full breakdown of all the costs you added to the quote. Now I can send this, take the full payment, or I can take a part payment. Maybe I want to do a deposit up front just to make sure they don't cancel the job when it's too short of a notice. Click one back, and I'm also going to add a note. I'm going to say, customer asked to call in advance. So this way, I know when I look back into the job and I'm on the day about to perform it, the customer has asked if I can call in advance before I reach their house. Now I can add a date. So let me schedule this job, which is currently for 19th of December from 2 p.m. sharp till 4:30, since we estimate roughly 2.5 hours. If I need a full day of work, simply click the button up in the right hand corner here, and it will be scheduled for the entire day. Save. The job is now fully set up and ready for you to go. That is a bit more in depth on viewing, organizing, and keeping track of your jobs, as well as setting up new ones. You can do this just as easily from your online dashboard if you so prefer. However, very often what you have at hand is your mobile, so we make it easy for you to do it from all devices. My name is Kent Warland. Thank you for watching. Please let us know if you have any more questions.